Good morning. We're about to run some dogs, get some lapin. See what we're gonna do this morning. Y'all ready, huh?
Y'all better drive the truck to that oak tree.
Okay. All right.
Just gonna follow us right here on the limestone road. We'll park and meet the oak tree.
Okay. We're gonna drive to the oak tree. Go to the oak tree. I'm getting ready. See what we gonna do.
Get my bag right there. You know something? I think they got a bag over there. Now you man? Yeah.
Yeah, bag right there.
$25 for some fucking shell, man. How much? $25.
God damn.
You know what BJ was? There was
25 fucking dollars.
you know BJ was.
Oh shit, that is some low power. I thought that was some high power. That'd be goddamn.
I found myself that I made. I bought some low.
This way. Yeah, no. Yeah. Wait. We gonna go to that other patch of grass. They went. Man, let's start the second patch. The second one, cross. Yeah, the one we just come from, me and you, eh? The one me and you just come across, eh? Hey! Yeah. This way! All right. Yeah. Let's go. Get the door. Hey! Get. That's where you come. Get him out of there. Pick up and yell you. Go ahead. Get him out of there. Pick up on him. Help him.